Alright guys, so let's set up tap to trade. So first we need to log into the AkashX back office. And it'll bring you here, you'll click on digital products and you can click on tap to trade, and it'll bring you here. Or you can click the button below the video. Actually, I think I want you to do it this way so it'll automatically log you in. So you won't see anything here. And so we'll go here. I'm gonna go on reset. And so here we're going to select trade locker, and then we'll need to go. So first we'll do the TradeX mastery account. I'll show you how to do both.
No games, no script, no pretending to be just you in the silence and a real version of me.
So we'll go to our account, our credentials. I will blur this out, but we need our account number. First we need our email. And you'll see here, when you come in, you'll see connect your account. So you'll click on connect account. Then click on your read, then put your full name and write your signature and click on submit. Then you're going to select trade locker, and you need to enter in your account email. And then you need your account ID, which is going to be everything after the pound sign. So you'll put that there. Then you'll copy your password. Then you'll select TradeX Mastery. And then you'll click on Challenge Account and then click on Connect. So now this is connected to tap to trade. So you can get the app, the AkashX app, by clicking on one of these here. Get it on Google Play or get it on the App Store to download the app on your phone, and you'll just log in with your same login information that you created. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and reset this one, and I'll show you how to do the pips market. We'll close out, click on connect account, do that again, submit. We'll submit. We'll click on trade locker. It'll be the same email. Hold on, you go to Gmail. We'll search for pips. And you'll take this information. I forgot, you'll need to go to my pips market, my.pips markets, and you'll need this account ID, everything after the pound sign. Then you'll need your password. And then you'll select pips market, and then you'll select the demo, and then click on connect. So that's how you connect the tap to trade. So once you connect it here, you don't have to connect it on your phone. It'll automatically be connected on your phone. So once you have everything connected, The main ones that I like to get alerts from are, so we'll go to tap to trade, FX Edge, Joel. So we'll keep FX Edge and Joel. Then we'll go to pulse signals, and we'll have FX Edge. I mainly look at Joel and Arabella, so click on the little icon next to them to make sure you get them, and unclick it if they're set up for all the rest of them. Just unclick the button so it's not filled in, and that's it. And that's how you connect to tap to trade.